Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian puff puff. Let's get started. You will need flour that's freshly sifted, freshly ground nutmeg, sugar, yeast, and a mug with sugar inside. First, I'll add the yeast into the mug and pour all the contents. Next, I'll add warm water and give it a stir. Now to give it a stir. And set aside. In a clean bowl, now I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. Let's check on our yeast and water. It's proofing. I'll let it proof some more before I add it to the dry ingredients. I'll now make a well to put the yeast water in. This is the consistency you should be aiming for. Now I will let it rest for an hour and double its size. So guys, now that I've let my puff puff dough rest for an hour and double its size, let's open it and see how it looks. Doesn't that look amazing? Now it's time to fry. Now I'm going to add some oil. Now I'm going to wait for the oil to heat up. So guys, to test if the oil is ready, I'll add a tiny bit of my batter. Place like so. So we can see the oil is hot. Now I'm going to turn it. So this is ready. I'm going to take it out and fry the rest. So this one is ready. Now I'm going to take it out. Doesn't that look amazing? We now come to the end of the video. Can you like, share, comment and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.